Exchange-traded funds from Vanguard are popular tools for investors. Let's break down exactly how these funds work. An ETF stands for Exchange-Traded Fund. Think of it as a basket of stocks or bonds that trades on a stock exchange. Vanguard is well known for keeping costs extremely low, which is a major factor for long-term investors. These funds offer instant diversification, meaning you own a small slice of many companies rather than just one. While ETFs and mutual funds share similar goals, ETFs offer more flexibility because they trade throughout the day like individual stocks. Over time, the goal of these funds is to track a market index, capturing the performance of the broader economy. Remember that while these funds simplify investing, they still carry market risk. Always research what each fund actually holds. Vanguard ETFs are building blocks for portfolios. Check our other guides to learn more about asset allocation. Thanks for watching.